Now, I can say something just came to compete with Breaking Bad. Its current rating is 8.8 in IMDb and soon it will cross 9. And I wouldn't be shocked if it gets 10 out of 10 in the last 2 episodes. Dark Season 3. It was magnificent, brilliant, impressive, splendid, awesome, and I have no words left. Germany showed why they are best in science. It was the best ever science fiction web series they have made. It may seem complicated, but please don't leave until you finish Season 3 and wait for the last 2 episodes because all the answers are there. And hats off to the director Baran Bo Oder for creating this masterpiece. And it is not like other series which keep releasing seasons after seasons after seasons. Dark Season 2 was good, but it is better than the best. And please watch Season 2 before starting Season 3. First it will complicate things and then it will simplify. And please wait for the last 2 episodes. Even after watching Dark, a lot of people are wondering what was that, why was that, and how was that. Here are the answers. If you have finished watching Season 2, you must know the concept of different timelines is old now. And now is the time of different worlds to overlap. First, different timelines were disrupted, and now different timelines of different worlds are going to be disrupted. And here are some questions which remain unexplained. Who are these 3 unknown people? They are the 3 generations of Martha and Jonas' child. What world this Martha came from even after the real Martha was dead? From Eva's world. Martha came to save Jonas from the apocalypse, and she knew that Jonas is the only one who can make everything right. Where in the alternate world there was no Jonas because Michael didn't disappear, and that's why there was no Michael, so no Jonas. Now after bringing Jonas in Eva's world, Martha went to 1888 of Adam's world, which we are familiar with. What if Martha couldn't come to save Jonas in the last episode of Season 2? First 2 different worlds, and now the question comes if different realities were there. The old Jonas sent old Magnus and Francisca to tell Martha, go save Jonas' life, because if he dies there will be no older version of Jonas. And in one reality Martha goes and saves Jonas, and in a different reality Bartos told Martha not to save Jonas. It is Adam, Jonas' older version's conspiracy. So at that moment 2 different realities were created where Jonas saved himself going to the bunker. Why 2 worlds? The bridge between the 2 worlds were made by the baby inside Martha. Because this Martha from another world and this Jonas from another world. So Adam wanted to kill Martha to break the bridge between the 2 worlds. But both Eva and Adam, whatever they were doing, in an opposite way, everything was wrong. In the entire series, the best character was Claudia Tiedemann, who came there to make the thing clear about the origin world, the complete triquetra. So this is beyond the 2 world story, there is another world which can fix everything. What was the real story behind Alexander Tiedemann? He was involved in a murder in 1986 and later came to Winden and changed his identity. Is Waller a random guy? What was his role in all the alternate worlds? Well, I don't have the answer, and the strange thing is, in the origin world, Waller is going to be the father of Jonas. Where did Adam send Agnes? Either she was sent to kill Noah in 1920 or sent to make love with Jonas' son to give birth to Tronte. Now Tronte, the father of Ulrich's son Michael, who is actually Michael, father of Jonas. An infinite cycle. Who is the real father of Regina? Though Claudia had affair with Tronte, but Regina's real father was Bernd Doppler. Which version of Martha went to 1888 and to the Adam? When the apocalypse happened, one version of Martha went to save Jonas. That one went to Adam after few events, spending in 1888. And Batsos took another Martha to Eva while apocalypse was happening. An unexplained question was why there was no Nielsen's in the origin world in the last episode. Well, I have no answer for this one. Who was Peter's mother and Helge's wife? Wula Smith, not important for the family tree. Why old Dagon sent to Hannah while she was bleeding in Eva's world? The old Dagon Tiedemann was sent to Hannah to save Silza, who was inside Hannah, from dying. Because Silza is the mother of Agnes and Noah, and they had to leave. How Claudia went to Adam's in the 7th episode even after dying. Claudia of Adam's world killed Claudia of Eva's world, and Claudia of Adam's world was killed by Noah. So as far as I can guess, this Claudia is from Adam's world before she got shot. So she traveled forward in time and explained these things to Adam. Tanhas the scientist splitted the origin world after he lost his son and his daughter-in-law. And to get back his son and his daughter-in-law, he invented a time machine and used it. And by using it, he splitted the origin world into two different realities or two different worlds. So people kept thinking who was the real person who was playing with our mind. But this scientist Tanhas was the guy who kept playing with our brain in the entire season 3, and not only entire season 3, in all the seasons. And the white devil was not actually white devil. She was the real angel who saved everything. Hope all of you guys are doing very well. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Comment on my videos if you guys are liking it or not, and let me know if I have missed any question. Later I will upload another video to explain about these things. Whatever you do, please don't miss dark.